Good morning, everyone. If you've been following our Egg to Chick curriculum, you'll know that we're on day number 3, but we are on day number 1 of our incubation process. So today we're going to get our eggs set into our incubator. It is ready to go. It's at 99.5 degrees. It says day 21 and 57% humidity. So we're sitting perfect right now. I've already numbered all of our eggs, so when we put them into the incubator, so they are ready to go. And I have already masked 11 of them. So we have one left to mask. So we've got number 1 here. I'll put it in our scale, and it is at 55 grams. So I'm going to go ahead and write that on our mask sheet. So I've got my mask sheet here, and I will share this with everyone. And it shows all of our eggs. So our biggest one weighs 57 grams, and our lightest one was 42 grams. So we've got that, and we'll weigh them every couple of days just to check and see if they're gaining or losing weight and check on our hypothesis. So we're going to go ahead and take our lid off, and we will take all of our eggs and set them really carefully into our incubator. So we're putting our eggs in with the fatter part of our egg up because that is where our air cell is at. So the air cell goes up, and if you remember, these are eggs from, just backyard chickens. So they did not come from the grocery store. We can't use grocery store eggs to hatch because they're not fertilized. So to grow baby chicks, we have to have fertilized eggs. To have fertilized eggs, you have to have a mama hen and a rooster, and then they will mate, and then we will have potential embryos growing. So there's a Magic School Bus video on that I can share with everyone that goes a little more in depth. But I can share that with your teachers and everybody. So we've got all of our eggs in now, and they are ready to go. And I didn't tell y'all why, but another reason we can't use eggs from the grocery store is they have been kept too cold for too long. So they're not fertilized, and they've been kept cold too long. So our eggs have to be warm. We've learned that. That's why we keep them so warm in our incubator, and that's when the embryo will start actually growing. So now that we've got our eggs set, we're going to go read a book about the life cycle of a chicken, and then we will, I'll see y'all tomorrow, and we will go over the parts of our egg, and then Friday we'll get to have a little bit of fun.